Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, Euro USD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly is what, let's use the line. That's it. Okay, so no highs being created in weekly at all now. So normally this happens when a positional traders take the control. Okay, so I'll have to explain how the market works. This will take maybe extra 2 minutes. Okay, so now we are starting the downtrend in Euro USD. Okay, so this candle was the confirmation because this is your liquidity swap or liquidity grab in weekly time frame. Okay, so here people had stop losses, and all the stop losses were eaten by the those big institutions. Okay, so they have made this a bearish hammer after eating all the stop losses in weekly time frame, and now we are going down. No highs are created yet. New highs are not created weekly. We are going down. When this happens, we see the momentum shift for next coming 6 to 8 months. I'm assuming. Okay, I'm expecting that the Euro USD will be in a downtrend now for next maybe 6 to 8 months, maybe 6 months minimum. Okay, or maybe 4 months. I don't know. Okay, so what happens is, I have to make you understand how the market economics works in forex trading or any kind of stock trading, whatever trading. Okay, so people who are these big institutions, they have the same money. Let's say somebody has like $100 billion. Okay, now they have to make money out of that. Now you can't make profits in only one economy. Okay, so let's say you have or you invested $100 billion in only America. No, you can't keep making profits if you keep your money invested only in America. Okay, so what do you do? What these people do is they take out that money and they invest that money in different markets across the planet. Okay, so for 6 months the money will be invested in America. For next 6 months the money will be invested in London. For next 6 months it will be in Europe, then in India, then in Japan, then in China, then in Australia. Okay, so they keep moving the money after every 4 or 5 months. So this is why the trends happen. You see downtrend happening, uptrend happening in weekly time frame, in daily time frame. Why? It's because the money is coming in and the money is going out. Okay, so weekly time frame is being used by the positional traders. Positional traders mean people who just set and forget for 6 months. Okay, so for example, if I tell you here, if you enter short in this Euro USD. Okay, if you enter short right now and you put your stop loss right here in weekly time frame, right now I'm talking about, and then you leave Euro USD for 6 months and you will walk away with maybe let's say 1500 pips. Okay, this is what positional traders do. For scalpers, for you say, oh, 6 months, 1500 pips, not much. That's fine, but that is still, let's say how much, 200, maybe 300 pips per month by doing nothing. Okay, but you need to have the large capital to survive the drawdown and survive the stop loss, and it's not for you. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so those people who got billions and trillions of dollars, they come here. Now they have invested their money into this sell. Okay, so now they are the sell positional traders, and they're going to move the euro USD for next 6 months into downtrend, and they'll walk away with their 2000 pips, 1500 pips in 6 months, 4 months, and they're happy with that because they don't trade with $1,000 or $2,000. Okay, they trade with billions and trillions of dollars. Okay, so for them, waiting 6 months is worth for their time. Okay, this is called money makes money, money revolves. Okay, so now I'm assuming that because dollar is gonna be uptrend. So euro USD going down means dollar is gonna go up. Okay, so for next few months, 4, 5, 6 months, dollar is gonna be in the uptrend. Okay, why? What does it mean? It means market economics that US US has got some investments now. Okay, so people from all over the world right now or in last few months have invested their money, and that is why now dollar is gonna go up, which means other pairs in relation to dollar is gonna go down. Now, do you understand market economics? Let's get back to trading. So coming back to day chart here, daily chart, this is your new downtrend. So let's get back to 4 hour. 4 hour, this is your maybe double bottom. It could act like a double bottom until this here. Okay, so if you use my line again right here, you see, what do you see? This candle in 4 hour has touched this support but rejected it, and now we are bouncing off. Okay, so don't be stupid, wait for the rejection from the EMA before you go short. Okay, uh, market is not predictable. Okay, but still, as per the price action, if I have to trade, for me it's like a signal of a double bottom. Now for me, double bottom does not mean break the neckline, this line, that line. I don't care. Okay, for me, this candle did not break this low. That means we're gonna go short term reversal. Okay, short term reversal will be until the EMI. So if you want to take maybe counter trade, buy in euro USD, you can still take your profits until this EMA line. Okay, so two possibilities here. If the blue candle breaks this high, then we should go long. If the rejection comes from the EMA and then red engulfing candle, then we go short. Too much for free. If you like what you see, then subscribe, like, and do all of that we discussed in the beginning. And also, I think I am going to launch my manual trading course within the next couple of weeks. So keep an eye. And it's must that you join the free Telegram. Okay, go and join the free Telegram to stay updated. And I think I have something very, a lot of things in my mind. And I think the way I will explain swing trading in my course, anybody can do it. It's so simple. I challenge anybody on the planet who can make it more simpler than me. I would be the first human on the planet to make manual trading in the most simple way possible when I will launch my manual trading course in next couple of weeks maybe. Okay, so maybe wait till then and keep watching my videos, and we'll see you how it goes. So then take care.